What is up, people of the internet? Welcome back to another video. My name is James Jernigan. I'm also known as the Free State Flipper, and I have a really quick video for you guys today to show you how you can make green screen backgrounds just like this one in this video. Super easy, super fast, and for only $1. That's right, $1. You can make green screen videos just like this, change the background to whatever you want. You can make it something like this, you can make it something like this, you can make it something like this. It doesn't matter. Whatever kind of background you want for your video, you're gonna be able to make it just like these for $1. And I'm gonna show you how I do it. And so I'll just stand up here and show you guys my green screen on my wall here at home. This is literally a tablecloth from the dollar store. And yeah, I don't know what else to tell you guys. It costs $1. And so maybe I lied, it might cost you $2 or $3 because you're gonna have to get some painter's tape too to tape it to your wall. But yeah, these cheap dollar store tablecloths, tape it to your wall and you have a green screen. You don't need to go spending $20, $30, $50, $100. Whatever these companies are trying to charge you, it's a total ripoff. All you need is the background to literally be green, like that. Anything green. And if they don't have green at your dollar store near you, you can use any color. Just don't wear the same color as your background. And when you use the chroma key effect on your app or video editing program or whatever, just change the color from green to whatever your background is. And it's as simple as that. I hope this helped you guys save some money. I hope it helps make your videos more creative. Sorry this is so shaky. I'm holding you guys on this little handheld extender thing, and it is not as secure as I thought. But anyways, hope this helped. Thanks for tuning in. If you appreciated these tips, go ahead and hit that bright red subscribe button right there. Helps me out a whole lot because it's going to show my videos to more people. So yeah, thanks a lot. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next video.